Hello and welcome to my friends. How are you doing these critical days? Critical because Russia declared war on Ukraine. So please take care of your trades that you take in, especially who are trading on Forex. Anyway, today I'll be taking some trades by analyst Candlestick Psychology. So watch the video till an end and let me know in the comment section below if I missed anything or your opinion. If you are new on my channel, you are requested to subscribe the channel for regular updates. You can join me on Telegram channel too, where I publish update regularly. As I declared on my last video that complete course of educational video expert version going to ready soon. So I decided to complete within this next month. Hoping I can complete the expert version along with sure short course before 1st April. It's taking little long because I need to gather a lot of information and data to make you understand clearly so that you can be a profitable trader too. Who didn't collect the complete course of educational video yet? You can collect as soon as you can. You will get privilege for expert version and you need both of them because you will not get the things from expert version that I discussed on first version, which is very important as a trader. I run different accounts and this is one of my small account. So I will use very less amount for trading. Never to watch the amount from any channel. Watch only the strategy and winning ratio. When I was new, I tried to follow some channel and their amount grew. By doing this, I lost some money. That's the reason I do not use big amount when I record session because some traders will get inspiration by watching the video and invest more. So analyze your past 30 days trading result and then decide the investing amount per trade. Believe me, it will protect you. And do not invest the money that you can't afford to lose because trading is very risky. You may lose partial or your entire capital on trading. So let's move on trading. Well, this is basically pre-recorded live session. When I was recorded the video that time I was on crowd. So I added the voice later on. I have started with $74. You can see 64 and 10 is running two trade. So let me explain why I have placed here higher option. You can see market is an uptrend. Lot of traders will consider this is seller's entry because rejection from upper side and candle close lower than the previous candle. But if you check this momentum here, every after one or two red candle we can see buyer's entry, and this is not a strong rejection or this is not a strong seller's candle. That's the reason I have placed here higher option. Here is the second trade. You can see this is almost same situation, but pair is different. This is Euro USD, this is GBP USD, but the USD is common on the right side. As this is same situation, so I placed two trade together because everything looks same, the trend, and every after one or two red candle we can see buyer's entry. So I have placed here higher option. Let me close the candle. Let's see what happened. So both the trade are winning trade, you can see. Okay, here is the third trade. So let me explain why I have placed here higher option. We know this is a seller's entry level. From here we have very strong seller's entry, strong seller's entry. So market touched this level and then got reject from this level. But this is very strong buyer's momentum. Market hit this level, then we have seller's entry. What does it mean by this? Sellers are here, but buyers push the market from here to this level. candle close here, still there is gap. It means this running candle must close as a green candle, and after closing this candle then we can decide to go with buyers or sellers. It depend on this candle behavior. So let me run this trade. Okay, we can see buyers entry and sellers activities too. Okay, so now market reached this level. Now we have to observe the behavior of this candle because market already reached this level. Still there is no active sellers. So okay, I have on this trade through. This is AUD chart. So let me analyze this chart here. It's an uptrend market, but we have strong sellers activities too. Let me draw the level first. It's a round numbers which is respecting by this buyers here. Up to this level we have buyers entry, again strong sellers entry. Okay, again sellers entry. There we have false breakout because it's very strong buyers entry, and up to this level we have buyers entry, then again strong sellers, but unable to make new low, rather than we have rejection. Then up to this level we have buyers entry, but there is rejection because the left side has sellers entry, two sellers entry, but unable to make again new low, rather than market started to go up and it closed up to this round number. It means that market is following the round numbers here, so we can follow this round number too. When any candle close at the round numbers, then we can decide our trade. After reaching the market on the round numbers, we can see strong sellers entry, and it's an engulfing candle too, but it didn't work because market is an uptrend, but unable to make new high, rather than we have another strong sellers entry, and this candle broke the level too. You can see from here we have buyers entry, but it has been broken. But if you check this candle, this is very strong candle, and if you check on the left side, strong candle, but it didn't work. This is also a strong candle, but again we have sellers entry. So strong candle didn't mean always that sellers or buyers will enter, and every breakout will not work. So I'll try to go with buyers if I have better confirmation and better price in this candle. Otherwise I'll decide on next candle. So let me run this trade. Okay, buyer's entry. So when you see first 30 seconds buyer's entry, then there are more possibilities to enter sellers if there is no strong buyers. Okay, sellers, but there is no confirmation. Okay, I think I should leave this trade. Better to wait for next candle because it's a breakout candle and there is no buyers activities. Okay, searching for some other trade. I think I have an opportunity to place here higher option. Let me explain why. Because we know overall trend is an uptrend, and we have here two sellers entry levels on 2. This is very strong sellers entry level, so at least we can consider that near on. And this rejection does not mean that sellers entry. Rather than we can consider this is a buyer's entry because buyers are trying to reach this level. So after this situation, after this buyer's entry, we can go with buyers on next candle, but still try to get some better price, I mean some marginal safety. So let me check and place my trade. Yes, I have placed. Okay, then let me check this pair also, AUDJP, because same. Okay, here also I have opportunity because market situation is almost same, and you know my very fast trade too, because there I placed two trade in similar pair. You can see this rejection, but every time making new high, and this is not a reversal candle. Some of traders will think this is a level, and from this level very strong sellers entry, so their sellers will enter. But if you check this, because every time market is making new high, this is red candle, but this is green candle, and market making lower high every time. So this time that there are more possibilities to close the candle at least to this level, this previous rejection point. So I'll place here higher option 2. Let me check. Okay, yes, I think I'm okay with both the trade. Let me wait for 20 seconds to complete the trade. This is very strong sellers entry, so up to this level we can expect buyers. Okay, I have on both the trades. So till now I have placed 5 trades, all are winning trade, you can see here. Okay, let me search for some other pairs too. Okay, this is my 6th trade. So let me explain why I have placed here lower option. If you check the market condition, this is a downtrend, and if you consider this last 3 candles, then you will understand. See, sellers was trying, there is few buyers, again strong sellers, and it got reject from this round number. Okay, again we have buyers entry, this is indecision candle, then sellers entry. So that all the candles are getting rejection from this opening price, as this is downtrend market, and it's getting rejection from same level. So there I can expect a seller's entry at least to this level, and I have placed the trade with some marginal safety because the previous candle was a small candle. So if sometimes this candle can be closed something like this, either red or green, does not matter, but sometimes it can be because we have small candle here. Therefore, I look for some marginal safety, and I think I am very safe with that trade. So let me close that trade. Okay, buyers trying, but I think it will fail. Yes, sellers entry. Yes, this is the confirmation that I am going to win this trade. Yes, you can see that sellers pressure. So this is my 6th trade. I'm going to win. So now let me check some other pair. Okay, so I think I'll have some opportunity here. Let me observe this candle, then I will explain you after closing this candle, because I want to go with sellers. If okay, so the candle has been closed. Now let me explain why I decide to go with sellers. We know this is strong sellers entry, because see, sellers entry breakout, then buyers entry, and again sellers entry. So it's a proved level, and this candle got reject from upper side and close exactly at the level. Though this is very strong buyers momentum, because we already have 4 strong buyers candle. But if you check the left side, so there we can expect a sellers entry too. Only the confusion is this is very strong buyers momentum. So I'll try to go with sellers with some marginal safety. Then Let's wait for marginal safety here. Okay, we have sellers entry some. Yes, we have some sellers activities. So I'm going with sellers, but this is risky trade because of this momentum only. Otherwise, I'm okay with this trade. No, buyer's entry. You can see that last 5 seconds we have very strong buyer's entry. So I don't have confidence about this trade. From there we have rejection. Okay. Now I'm going to lose this trade. I'll try to recover my loss here. Okay. Okay. See, why I have lost this trade. So there is two reasons. I didn't check left side. This is very strong levels. This is proved levels. You can see buyer's entry, again buyer's entry, and this is a breakout candle. So this clear level. This is strong momentum. So there is reason why I have lost my trade. So my first analysis was not 100% perfect. I only considered up to this area, but if I check the left side, then I could avoid this trade. Anyway, no problem. This is part of trading. You can see level, but now I can believe this level. Okay, I have increased the amount on dollar to recover my $5. So you can see the movement, and this is a level. That's the reason we have some sellers activities here. This is very strong level. Now it proved. You can see. But recently we have very strong buyers momentum. Okay, so almost doji candle. Now there can be sellers entry or there can be buyers entry too, because the level has been respected already. I'll try to go with buyers if I have good price. No, I think next candle we can go with sellers, but we should observe this candle very clearly. We have sellers entry here. Sellers are trying very strongly. So I think I can go with sellers on next candle. Okay. Yes. Yes, this is the confirmation. Let me check the 5 seconds. You can see this very strong candle confirms that sellers will enter. Okay. But still there is doubt because the left side is very strong momentum in 1 minute. See this candle. Okay. This is the confirmation from 5 seconds. I think I'm going to win this trade. Yes, good luck. I have won because of the entry point only. Let me check the 1 minute. You can see See, this is green candle, but I have on this trade because of my entry point. So I'll try to place on more trade, then I will wrap up the video. So I'm searching for one more trade. After that I can, okay, I think I have here some good chance. Let me explain. From here we have buyer's entry without rejection. You can see every candle has rejection, I mean seller's entry, but this candle does not have any seller's entry. Rather than we have strong buyer's entry from this level directly. Next candle seller's entry up to this level, again buyer's entry. This candle also tried to enter sellers because of this rejection, because of this indecision candle, but again reject. So this is a level. This is a level. So at least we can expect on a small candle. Either it can be red or green, but it's supposed to be small. If you can place your trade with some marginal safety, something like this, then buyers or sellers, then there are more possibilities to win your trade. But you should observe very clearly up to 30 seconds. Then you can decide your trade. So let me wait. If I have some confirmation, then I'll place my trade. Otherwise, no. I think no, because I saw some buyer's entry. No, it's not good to place trade. So let me find some others pair. We have same situation here. You can see left side we have. So always you can respect this kind of things. Remember, this is breakout candle. I don't know what happened left side because this is very small chart, but I'm sure this is a breakout candle, because after breakout we have seller's entry, seller's strike, again seller's entry, but both the candle got reject. So it's a breakout candle. This is a breakout candle and this is a level. So after watching movement from this candle, then I can decide my trade. Okay, I think I can go with sellers on next candle, because yes, I will go with sellers. Why? Because as I told you, this is a level. This is a breakout candle. From here we have buyer's entry, and from here we have buyer's entry. But this is a momentum and it got reject from this level. So next candle we will fill this gap, because there is still gap, and we have buyers from here lower than this level. So candle should reach to this level. Okay, I have placed here lower option with some marginal safety, and I think I am going to win this trade too. Yes, see the left side is a level. Don't worry while candle moves against you. You know you are right, but sometimes you may lose. But sometimes you may lose your trade even after proper analysis, and this is part of trading. But I'm sure I'm going to win this trade because the gap has to be filled. Okay, but trying, but I think it will fail. If I win this trade, I will place one more trade. Yes. So see from here, and if you see, I could go with buyers in this situation if I have strong levels, because we have new low and candle unable to make new, sorry, we have new high, candle unable to make new low here, and candle close exactly at the levels, but the left side does is not very strong level, so I'll not place my trade on next candle, but I'll search for one more trade. This is my last trade for this video, so I should find a good trade. I think I'll get some opportunity here. Yes, see, if you observe this market, this is a level, so market is moving up. This is a levels too. Up to this level we have sellers, again sellers, again sellers, again sellers, and this is a breakout. So if the candle got reject something like this, or maybe small from this level, or if candle close here, then with rejection, then we can go with sellers, because the level has been broken here, you can see, and this is a retrace area, then we can expect sellers entry. So let's see how the candle forming. Okay, candle close there, but still there is gap, you can see, as I told you, this is a level, but still we have gap. But if the candle close exactly at the levels with some rejection, then we can go with sellers. But there I don't have enough confidence, because still there is gap, so it can fill or it can reject, so I don't have confidence. Okay, again candle close here, I could go with sellers, but I will not, because now this is a momentum. Otherwise I could go with sellers, because left side we know the level and the candle has a strong rejection. So let me wait for some times for my next trade. Okay, strong sellers entry. No. Okay, I think I'm going to get an opportunity here. Yes, I'm going to have an opportunity here. Let me wait few more seconds how that candle reacting, then is sellers entry, and from here we have sellers entry. But I'll not go with sellers in this candle. Why? Because you can see very strong sellers entry, again buyers entry, but here we have only one sellers and again sellers, but it got reject. So even if the candle close here, then I will not go with sellers, because there are chance to make bullish candle too or bearish candle too, due to this level and due to this level, so left side, this level. Okay, so okay, here we have very strong sellers entry. The left side has a level, but I think I can go with buyers if the candle is very strong and close lower than this level. So I think I'm going to get an opportunity here, because this candle broke all the levels. You can see this is SNR level, this is trend line, it has been broken, this SNR level broken, this minor level also broken. We have on level remaining, and this is very strong level. So this is not a level, this is a fake breakout, I would say. If the candle close at the level or below than the level, then I will go with buyers. So let me wait. Yes, the candle is at the level and it has been broken now. We have 5 seconds to complete the candle. Okay, I have the confirmation. Did you see the last second? I have confirmation, so I'm going with buyers, but I need some marginal safety, because though this is very strong levels, but you can see the wicks. So there are more possibilities to create small wicks, something like this. So if I have this trade something in this position, then I will go with buyers. So let me wait, and this is my last trade. If I have chance, then I will place my trade, otherwise I'll stop trading for today. I think I'm going to get an opportunity here. Yes, I'm going to place my trade. Oh, okay, I have placed the trade uh, at the level you can see here, at the last point at the rejection levels, but it placed here due to that fast movement. No need to worry, I think this trade will give me some money, and this is my last trade. Let me wait. We have 15 seconds, but I'm expecting I'm going to win this trade. Okay, very strong buyer's entry, so I can say I'm going to win this trade. So till now I have placed 10 trades. Out of 10 I have won 9 trades. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and write me in the comments box below about your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.